Hi, welcome to Web Design Case Study. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. So the notes for this video can be found at this URL. Which is loaded here. Okay. Okay, so let's look at where we stopped. So we stopped here, alright, and what we're trying to do is to draw out what this one looks like. Okay, before we even move on, we are going to draw two rectangles, okay, just to create some texture, shadow effect, one rectangle for the footer and one rectangle for the middle one. Okay, yep. So when you code in CSS, obviously you're going to use like padding border margin. You're going to use border, okay. But here we are just going to draw it. All right. So the first thing we want to draw is the one below. Okay, make this bigger first and then zoom in a little bit. Let me use scrappy zoom. We are going to draw a rectangle from the bottom one here to this one. Okay, so make sure that the fill is 3339. Later we're going to change it anyway. Okay, rectangle 2, change the fill to the first one, which is 3339. Okay, so you just eyedrop it, okay, which we just chose, so it's pretty easy to choose. Alternatively, you can key in the value, which is kind of troublesome. Change the stroke to nothing, okay, and then draw this rectangle from the bottom here to the bottom here. If you get everything right, okay, you should cover from here to here, and it's in the background layer. If you have not moved your mouse, you know, choose another, but it's in the background group. Okay, so we do that, and obviously you don't see anything. Okay, so let's change the so let's apply effect to it. So make sure rectangle 1 is still selected. Go to FX and add bevel. Okay, so a bevel appears. It's an inner bevel. Change the depth to 70%. Size is 2 pixels. Softness is 3. Very important, switch off the use global light. Very important, switch off the use global light, because if you don't off it, next time when you apply another effect, so right now you say the light is coming at 90 degrees from the top, so the top appears to be light, bottom appears to be dark, so you have a 3D effect. And since you switch off the global light, next time when you apply another effect to another shape, the effect of another shape will have a different angle, which is what you want, unless you want the whole page have the same lighting effect. Then you switch on the global light. Okay, so switch off the global light for now. And say OK. Alright, so here you see the rectangle 1, you have an effect attached to it, and then if you do a file save, and you can switch off the guides to see the effect. You don't see the effect because you have hit enter. Once you hit the enter key, you can see this is the effect you want. Okay. So you draw the first rectangle. Let's draw the second one. Let's show the guys. Okay. So the second rectangle you want to draw is on top. Alright, go up here. Pick your rectangle. We are going to draw from here. To the middle one here. Okay, and then hit enter to confirm. And use alternate drag to duplicate the effect here. Alternate drag. So change the move to and then press the alternate key, drag the effect from rectangle 2 to rectangle 1. So now if you view show, guys, you have another effect here. Okay. Alright, let's switch it on again. Alright, so you draw the two effects. Save your work. And that is a good place to stop. Okay, so we are going to pause here and start the next video. Alright. See you soon. Bye.